Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name's Leonardo Trigana Sukma, and today we are going to explore a fascinating and complex topic, the relationship between language and the brain. Now, I'll be discussing several key points, including the relationship between language and the brain, the complexity in localizing language disorder, and the relationship between lexical and grammatical aspect in language disorder. Now let's begin by understanding the intricate connection between our brain and language. Our brains are incredible organs and they play a pivotal role in processing language. Brain's area involved in language processing. There are two main regions in the brain that play a crucial role in language processing. First, we have Broca's area located in the left hemisphere of the brain, and second, Wernicke's area, also in the left hemisphere. Broca's area is responsible for language production, while Wernicke's area focuses on language comprehension. And next, language disorder due to brain damage. Damage to language areas of the brain can lead to language disorder. For instance, lesions in Broca's area may result in Broca's aphasia, characterized by slow, effortful speech and difficulties with function words, and infection. In contrast, lesions in Wernicke's area tend to lead to comprehension difficulties and frequent lexical errors. Next, let's discuss the complex issue of localizing language disorder in the brain. The localization issue, recent findings suggest that brain damage outside the classic regions we discussed earlier, Broca's and Wernicke's area, can also affect language ability. For instance, damage to areas like the supramarginal and angular gyrus can result in language disorder. Furthermore, there isn't always a consistent correlation between the location of brain damage and the type of language disorder that emerges. This indicate that language processing involves various brain regions. Now, the recovery. Recovery after brain damage varies by age. In children, the brain demonstrates remarkable plasticity and they often recover quickly from language deficits, even when damage occurs before language onset. However, lesions sustained in middle and late childhood may leave some deficits, particularly in writing and schoolwork. In adult, recovery from language disorder following damage to the classical language areas is less certain. However, adults also have the potential to recover to varying degrees through targeted speech therapy. Next, let's delve into the relationship between lexical and grammatical aspect in language disorder. Lexical aspect portend to vocabulary and word knowledge in language disorder. Individuals may experience difficulties in finding words, recognizing words, or maintaining their vocabulary. This can lead to anomia, which is the difficulty in finding desired words. And grammatical aspect involve language structure and syntax. People with language disorder may struggle to construct grammatically correct sentences, such as problem with verb conjugation, sentence structure, and other grammatical features known as agrammatism. Agrammatism. So the relationship between language and the brain is a dynamic and intricate one. Brain's area involved in language processing, such as Broca's and Wernicke's area, play critical roles in understanding language disorder. Localization of language disorder is not always straightforward, and recovery varies by age, with children exhibiting remarkable plasticity. So, the relationship between language and the brain is a dynamic and intricate one. Brain area involved in language processing, such as Broca's and Wernicke's area, play critical roles in understanding language disorder. Localization of language disorder is not always straightforward, and recovery varies by age, with children exhibiting remarkable plasticity. The relationship between lexical and grammatical aspect in language disorder is complex, with evidence suggesting that individuals often retain their linguistic knowledge, albeit with difficulties in accessing it. This complexity highlights the resilience and flexibility of the brain's language processing capabilities. So, thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Thank you so much.